In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JQL in Jira in just 5 minutes. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of issues in Jira and wanted a precise way to search and sort through them, JQL might be just the solution you're looking for. JQL, or Jira Query Language, is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow by allowing you to search for issues in a more customized way. Just like when you use search engines with specialized terms to get the precise information you need, JQL operates under a similar principle. It uses a flexible and precise syntax to help you filter, sort, and find issues based on specific criteria. So let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the right spot. Head over to the webpage for your work in Jira. This area is essentially the hub where all your tasks and projects are managed, providing a comprehensive view of what's on your plate. You want to familiarize yourself with this space because it's your go-to for accessing different functionalities in Jira. Once you're there, take a moment to look around. Notice how everything is organized. It's like your digital command center where you can track projects, monitor tasks, and of course use JQL to refine your searches. Next, let's find the filters option. It's usually prominently displayed on the menu, providing a straightforward way to customize the view of your issues. By clicking on filters, you're opening up a pathway that leads to more detailed searches. This is a crucial step because filters is where you start customizing what you see. Think of it as setting the parameters for a more focused search scope, which can make your overall Jira experience much less cluttered. By using filters effectively, you can prioritize what needs immediate attention and what can wait. Once in filters, you'll see an option labeled View All Issues. Clicking this will display an extensive list of all current issues. It's the equivalent of pulling up a full report or a master list, if you will. At this point, don't be intimidated by the volume of entries you'll see. Instead, recognize this list as a goldmine of information you can tailor to suit your workflow needs. This comprehensive view is vital if you're managing multiple projects or overseeing various team tasks. The wealth of data here can be quickly refined using JQL, allowing you to sift through the clutter. After you have accessed all the issues, it's time to engage with JQL directly. Look for the JQL option and click on it. This is the tool that transforms your broad list of issues into a refined, manageable selection based on the criteria you specify. By learning to effectively utilize JQL, you can say goodbye to wading through unnecessary data and instead focus on what truly matters to you and your team. The power of JQL lies in its ability to sort issues using various keywords, operators, and fields. You'll be able to construct queries that are as broad or as precise as you need, thereby gaining control over your data views. While in the JQL interface, you'll notice a search field where you can start typing your queries. The syntax might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, it becomes an intuitive way to converse with Jira. You can begin with simple commands like searching for issues created in the past month, or get more intricate by specifying project names, issue types, and status. Taking the time to learn this syntax pays off in terms of efficiency and precision. Much like learning a new language, it requires patience and practice. Eventually, constructing JQL queries becomes second nature. And as you become more adept, the searches will become quicker and more effective, drastically reducing your time spent on tedious tasks and increasing productivity. A great initial query to try out is one that filters issues created in the last 30 days, like created or 30D order by created desky. This will list issues by their creation date in descending order, thus bringing the newest entries to the front. Such queries help you keep your finger on the pulse of ongoing projects, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Once you're comfortable defining your search criteria, you can modify existing queries or create new ones to fit your ever-evolving project needs. And just like that, with a few clicks and some well-crafted queries, you've mastered the essentials of using JQL in Jira. By integrating this tool into your daily workflow, you can dramatically streamline your tasks, save time, and enhance project management efficiency. As closing thoughts, remember that practice is key when working with JQL. The more you experiment and use it, the more natural it becomes. Your ability to harness JQL's full potential will grow, turning what once seemed a complex tool into an indispensable asset. Should you have any questions or run into obstacles, the Jira community and its wealth of resources are always there to support you. Happy querying and enjoy a more organized, efficient approach to handling your projects.